Welcome to Sajjad Shah YouTube channel. My today's lecture is Colombo Plan, the economic and social development in Asia and Pacific, or South Asia or Southeast Asia. It's very important topic, the Colombo Plan. I will cover this topic, the basic facts of Colombo Plan and objective of Colombo Plan. But before I start the facts of Colombo Plan, the first thing that is very important for understanding is the background of Colombo Plan. In 1950, January 1950, a conference was held in Colombo, Sri Lanka, the International Conference on Foreign Affairs. The Commonwealth Conference on Foreign Affairs were held in January 1950 in Colombo, Sri Lanka. The different countries participated in this conference like Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, India, Canada and UK. The finance ministers of all these countries attended this conference, while the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka and India attended the conference, which was known as the Commonwealth Conference on Foreign Affairs. That conference was very important. After the conference, a suggestion was to establish an economic forum in South and Southeast Asian countries. So a new conference was established named Colombo Plan. Now I move to the basic facts of Colombo Plans. The Colombo Plan was founded in 1st July 1951. Type of organization, it's an economic forum for the countries like in Asia and Pacific region. The headquarters of Colombo Plan located in Colombo, Sri Lanka, formerly Ceylon. The members of Colombo Plans, initially 8 members joined Colombo Plan, but with the passage of time, currently there are 28 countries are the members of Colombo Plans. Official language of Colombo Plan is English. Currently, Secretary General of Colombo Plan is Dr. Benjamin P. Reyes. 28 nations are the members of Colombo Plans. The countries are Afghanistan, Australia, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Brunei, Chile, Fiji, India, Indonesia, Iran, Japan, Laos, Malaysia, Maldives, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Thailand, USA and Vietnam. These are the 28 countries currently are the members of Colombo Plan. The 4 nations withdraw from Colombo Plans like UK, Cambodia, Canada and South Vietnam. These 4 countries are not part of Colombo Plan, and these are the 28 countries are the members of Colombo Plan. Now I move to the objectives of Colombo Plans. For what purposes Colombo Plan was established? The basic purposes or basic objectives are designed to strengthen relationship within Asia and Pacific. The first and utmost objective of Colombo Plan is to strengthen the relationship between the Asia and Pacific countries, to promote partnership of mutual help towards social and economic development. The basic objective is to gain the economic forum, to promote the partnership of mutual help, mutually understanding of each countries, and to create social and economic development in the region. Then development of human resources among member nations. Human resources exchange is also part of Colombo Plan, and to facilitate the transfer and sharing of the development of experiences among the member countries in the region. These are the 4 basic objectives of Colombo Plan to actually transfer of mutual understanding, to cooperate the countries located in Asia and Pacific region, and to build a friendly relation in the region, and to promote economic forum for the betterment of all these countries.